Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how you can download Brawl Stars application on your Android device. To download Brawl Stars on Android is super quick and easy. All you need to do is to go ahead and grab your Android device and open up Google Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, look for the search icon at the bottom right from your Google Play Store and go to the search box and type in Brawl Stars. You will be able to find the Brawl Stars application developed and powered by Supercell. Tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Now wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be downloaded just like that. Brawl Stars is a fast-paced multiplayer mobile game which combines elements of action, strategy, and teamwork across various game modes. You can compete in different game modes by defeating opponents, completing objectives, and earning trophies. Once the download is completed, tap on the play button to start playing Brawl Stars on your Android device quicker and easier. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.